how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp Android. So if you want to get Meta AI on your WhatsApp Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Play Store and you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for WhatsApp Messenger. After searching for your WhatsApp Messenger, here you will have the WhatsApp Messenger. If you have any updates, you need to go and update it. After updating, you will have your latest version and you will have your Meta AI. Now, once your WhatsApp is up to date, you need to go back and then open up your WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, go with a chat, any chat that you're comfortable with. And after opening your chat, you can open an existing conversation, or you can go with a new one. You can go with a group or an individual chat. Now, in the chat, you need to type in @Meta AI. And as you can see that here on top of my typing indicator, I have Meta AI. So you can just simply go with that Meta AI, tap on it and send. And as you can see that the Meta AI has been activated in the chat. That's how you can get Meta AI and WhatsApp on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.